Hey friends, this is Natik Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Vechain. As in my earlier video, I was showing you that after breaking out a very big falling wedge pattern on the 7 days time frame chart, recently on a daily time frame chart, Vechain has formed another down channel. And this was my last video, by the way, that I shared almost 1 day ago with you. And now if you take a look at the live chart, then you can see that still the price line is moving inside this down channel on the daily time frame chart. By the way, during this move to the downside, inside this down channel, we have broken down this quite long-term uptrend line support that was previously breaking as a support here, and support here, and support here as well. And now recently we have broken it down, and this time the price line was rejected by this resistance that was previously breaking as support, and now you can see it worked as a resistance, and the price line is still moving inside this channel. And in today's video, we will analyze this move, and I would also like to show you once again this very massive breakout from this very big falling wedge pattern that is happened on the 7 days time frame chart. And so far from this low to here, you can see that Vechain has rallied more than 324%, but could not break out this long-term resistance of 5.2 cents that was previously breaking as support here, and now for the past several weeks it is breaking as a resistance. By the way, during this rally we have broken out this very massive resistance of Ichimoku bearish cloud that is now flipped into a bullish cloud. Therefore, this can be another very strong support for the price line of Vechain. And in today's video, we will also analyze this support as well. And I would also like to share with you a quite long-term trade setup for Vechain that I shared in the month of June 2022 with my members. And that is a very big harmonic bullish reverse Gartler pattern that Vechain has formed on a monthly time frame chart, and this move is still in play. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of May 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like this is a trade setup for Beefy Finance, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup, and it will take you to the trading views chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared the signal. For example, in this case, I shared the signal on 16th of May 2024. And you can also want the complete trade setup as well, like this was the buying zone and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click this play button. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. And this was a very nice pump, by the way. Now, let me to take you to the live chart of Vechain. And first of all, let me to show you this daily time frame chart. And here we can see that on this daily time frame chart for the past several days, it is moving inside this channel. However, during this move to its downside, the price line has broken down a very significant uptrend line support that was previously breaking as support here, and this was another bounce, and this was another bounce, and finally we broke down this support. And now after the breakdown, it is flipped into a resistance, and the price line got rejected by this resistance, and now it is moving between the resistance and support of this channel. In case of breaking down the support of this down channel, the target to the downside will be here. That will be approximately at 2.03 cents or almost 2 cents. And in case of breaking out this channel, the target to the upside will be here at the top of the channel. That will be approximately at 5.5 cents. And in that situation, the price can once again break out this uptrend line resistance as well. And now if we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then here on this 7 days time frame chart, you can see that Vechain has already broken out this very big falling wedge pattern. And I've been telling you in my so many previous videos that once Vechain will be able to break out this multi-year space resistance, then we can expect a very massive rally. And so far, it has rallied almost 324% from this low by the way. From here up till this high, you can see that it has rallied 317%, but could not break out this long-term resistance of 5.2 cents. Therefore, in order to continue this rally to the upside, we will need to break out this resistance. By the way, during this rally, we have broken out this very massive resistance of Ichimoku bearish cloud that is now flipped into a bullish cloud. Let me to highlight this bullish cloud as well, so it will be more visible for you. You can see that the color is changed from red to green. And this green cloud can now work as a very strong support for the price line and long-term support for the price line. And now if we take a look at the final target for this very massive breakout from this big falling wedge pattern, that target is here at the top of the bed. That can be between 29 cents to 30 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, You can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.